Okay, so press this button. That's remote start. And as you see, the vehicles have been remote started. You can stop it just by pressing the button again. Boom, remote start. Now this is where we get into the cool things, all right? Go unlock the door, right? And if we arm the system, right? Take the key, you try to start it. Look at that.